What's up guys, it's Ryan here, and today I'm doing clouds burping. Here's another one. Here's another one. And here's the last one. That's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next. With